This is Amit Agrawal welcoming you to our talk on Stimulate Your Sales with Outbound Calls. Every marketing expert agrees that cold calling is the ultimate in selling. I know you don't want to hear me say that. I am aware that the idea of cold calls make most people uncomfortable. If you are here with me today is because you may be developing cold feet at the very thought of cold calling, and you definitely wish to change that. I am happy you are here. You will soon realize that cold calling is nothing but giving your all to someone you have never spoken to before. Cold calling experts agree with me that the adrenaline rush they experience from speaking to strangers is unlike any other. It's almost like engaging in an extreme sport. Listen, guys and girls, why miss out on all the fun? Why leave money on the table? Why not overcome your discomfort and learn to handle the fear? And I tell you, it's possible to learn new things to eliminate the fears that possess us. A number of years ago, I decided to take professional basketball lessons from a pro basketball coach. Well, I must admit I wasn't a novice. Well, at least I didn't consider myself one because I had been playing basketball for quite a while. But never had I taken any lessons prior to that coaching. So I clearly remember the first day of my coaching. The first thing my coach did was to show me the proper way of gripping the ball. Hey, can I have the ball please? Thank you. Initially I wasn't comfortable holding the ball the way he asked me to hold it. I used to do it differently and I shared that with him. But my coach assured me that the reason I was feeling uncomfortable with the new grip was because I was so used to holding the ball incorrectly for so many years. He also told me that once I get used to the new grip, it will seem very natural. What he said made sense to me and I decided to give it a try. I used to dream of getting my throw to look as fluid, as graceful, as powerful as my coaches. I practiced and practiced. It wasn't easy in the beginning. It almost felt like learning to write with my right hand. You see, I'm left-handed. But I practiced with the help of my amazing coach. He also taught me the right swings and follow through. He showed me how to stand, the way my feet should be placed, and how to throw the ball, everything. It all felt awkward initially. But I made up my mind to do whatever it takes to reach my goal. I followed everything I was taught to the T, and I realized that by doing it right, I could hit the basket many times. My instructor watched me while I practiced and he offered suggestions. At the very end, when all the lessons were over, my coach asked me to practice regularly and to always keep the points he taught in mind. He told me that with practice, the new way of gripping the ball, standing, throwing the ball would all become second nature. After the coaching ended, it took a lot of effort to follow the new way of doing things and I started having weak moments when I would go back to the old way of holding the ball, and wow, what a relief that was. Catch please. And now my coach was not there to watch me play. I was on my own. I made a blunder. I went back to my old way of playing basketball. When I did that, it felt real good, but my average score came down to 3. For the non-basketball players, you should know that the lower the score, the worse the player. And a score of 3 is dismal, shamefully low. I lost matches and nobody wanted me to be on their team, not the professional team. I realized my mistake. I knew I had to rectify that. A year after I completed my coaching, I went back to the basketball coach again. But this time around, I was different. I was determined and promised myself to never go back to my way of playing basketball. I followed all the directions, stuck it out, practiced the right grip, follow through over and over again. And I didn't want to take any chances. I continued with my coach until the correct way of playing became second nature to me. Slowly my score increased and I was a sought after player. That happened because I made it happen. What I am trying to say is I had to go through the grind and put in an effort until the correct way of playing basketball became second nature to me. That's what I want you to do. Learn to feel comfortable with talking to people over the phone. Talking to strangers you have never met. Believe me, you'll soon realize how amazingly beautiful it is to connect with people and make them understand your point of view. Cold calling may not seem easy initially. Some of you are people to people. You enjoy communicating with others. You may find it easier than those of you who have trouble interacting with people. But with practice, this gap can be eliminated. You will be as good as anyone else. It's a numbers game. The more phone calls you make, the more you're on the phone, the better your cold calling skills become. My craze for basketball, the mistakes I made, the way I overcame those problems taught me one valuable lesson, that each one of us can learn to overcome our fears and feel comfortable doing things that we may initially have considered impossible. A mentor can help achieve that. This video series has been designed specifically for you, the salesperson who fears cold calling, but who is interested in overcoming that fear and gaining the expertise required to fulfill your sales objectives. I don't promise that your first call is going to be amazing. It is going to be as awkward as I felt gripping the basketball differently. You may falter, you may say the wrong things, and that lead may not convert into a sale for you. You may even have frustrated leads who don't want to listen to you anymore. But soon, with practice, with determination to succeed, you will make that first sale from cold calling. Your confidence will improve, and then your cold calling score will increase. 2, 5, 10, 20, 30, sky is the limit. You have chosen to watch this video, so you have made a beginning. You want to do well with cold calling, and you want to see sales results. I am as enthusiastically waiting to let you in on the secrets of cold calling. I'll show you what works. I'll show you a tried and tested system you can follow to develop interest in your cold calling prospects, to get them to eagerly fix appointments with you, to meet you one-on-one, face-to-face, where you can discuss your programs and service. The entire system is very simple to follow and in easy to follow steps. The idea is for you to master the system one step at a time. This is a system that works, but the system works only when you follow it without exception. Since you are beginning this training, I suggest you to make a commitment, make a promise to practice the techniques shown over and over again. The most important thing to keep in mind is to allow them to become second nature. Practice until they become second nature to you. Don't allow yourself to deviate from what is right. Don't allow yourself to go back to the incorrect way of doing things like I did. I am not proud of that, but I am happy I realized my mistake and went back to learn and practice until the new techniques became second nature to me. Promise yourself to never revert. Watch the video again and again whenever you feel the need for motivation. 1. Practice what works. 2. Don't deviate. And your sales prospecting is bound to yield amazing results. That's where your income is. Successful sales. Take a deep breath and relax. You'll not find it half as bad as you imagine. Really, it's similar to taking a plunge in cold water. And after you are in, within a few seconds the water is fine. In fact, after speaking to new prospects a few times on the phone, you will even begin anticipating the plunge with excitement. Ready to take that plunge? We will discuss in depth all about cold calling in this series of videos. Remember, all the methods I am going to show you are secondary. What's primary is your dominant will and willingness to learn. It's not just primary, it is paramount. So friends, this is Amit Agrawal here signing off. See you in our next session, which is in effect the first real session on cold calling. Till then, let's work together and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. Thank you.